Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop next unit. Say text, same as horizontal, vertical type mask tools. Vertical type mask tools. So you click on here. So just type select this one and click on here. Same as horizontal text mask tools. Say then click on here. Say set foreground color. So you select on here. You can get the color palette or color picker. So you can change you can choose the colors for the foreground color, or otherwise you can click on here, right? So you can click on here, color choices. So you can select the color for this one, foreground color, or otherwise you click double time on here and choose the colors from that picker, right? So the HSB, RGB, LAB, CMYK. Percentage wise, you can mix the colors, right? So you click on here, say what color you need, say you can select from here. So just select this blue color. So then after that, fill color, paint bucket tools. So you select the fill color. So you select on here. So then select, deselect. You can remove this one, or shortcut for this one, Control plus D. Deselect. For the deselect, Control plus D, shortcut. So then click on Move Tools. So you get the new file. So you click on here. No need to save. So you press this no. So then click on here. File new. Say the new file. Pixel 1024 inch height 768 pixels. Resolution 72. So then after that, okay. Say these are the text styles. How to write the text horizontal wise. Say these are the text. So once again, I click on this horizontal type tools. Just 2025. Select on here 2025. Here 2025. Say the foreground color already selected, blue color, foreground color. Control plus T, pre-transform. Shortcut for the Control plus T, short pre-transform. Or otherwise, so you go to the edit and select the pre-transform. So now click on here. Layers, background layer. So then text layer. Already we have created here 2025. Now click the right mouse. So you can select the duplicate layer. So you can type the duplicate layer name. So just -1, duplicate layer -1. So then after that, okay. So once again, duplicate layer also created here. Say here this one, right? So now click on this move tools. Say you can move the tools from here. Say this one, next duplicate layer. Next duplicate layer. So now select on here. So now say here this one moving here. Right? So now close this one. Click on this eye marker. Say here you can close this one. Year 2005 one. Say this one year 2005. Right? So any editing facilities very easy through these layers. Right? So now year 2025. Say here this one. So this one duplicate layer. So you click here, duplicate layer, delete layer. So through the layer properties, so you click on here. After that, okay. So after that, okay. Layer properties. At the same time, say here this menu ribbon also, layer properties, right? So the new fill layer, new adjustment layer, right? So now say click on here the right mouse. Say here this one text file. So the text. So this one text. Say the both are text. So any alteration for this one, any alteration. First rasterize this. Click the right mouse and rasterize layer. The particular layer only rasterized. Year 2025 only rasterized. So now click on here, rasterize. Now rasterize this. Rasterize this. So then after that, so you go to this layer properties, same as earlier one, layer properties. After that, okay. Layer properties. After that, okay. So the layer properties, layer style, drop down, drop shadow, inner shadow, outer glow. The shadow facilities, drop shadow. So you select this only for that layer after rasterized. Right? So the other facilities you can select from here also. So now click on here. Any normal, dissolve, darken, multiple. So now click on this color picker. So you select this. So then after that, okay. Say now opacity. So you can increase or decrease this opacity. Say now say here like this way. So the angle for this one, right? So the distance from that original. So just adjust this way. So the spread from this one. So then size. So the quality of this one, contour, any styles, shadow styles. So the noise. So likewise, you can give the drop shadows. So then after that, okay. After that, okay. So likewise, so the year 2025, select the layer and click the right mouse, rasterize layer, first rasterize. Before give the shadow and other facilities, first you rasterize this. convert to the rasterized image, right? Say then after that only lay a style in a shadow, in a shadow, in a shadow. So you select this one, whatever say you can change from here also. Later you do that. So now select this one in a shadow. So then after that, okay, opacity, angle, distance, distance. So the every functions same as earlier way, you can change that, right? So first you practice this. Later we can meet on another unit.